Hello friends, this topic is taken from world history. The title of this video is Islamic Revolution 1979. In Iran, Muhammad Mossadegh came to power in 1951 through the democratic process. He became the Prime Minister of Iran. Iranian people were strongly opposing the Britishers' new colonialism. Britishers were controlling the crude oil industry of Iran by then. Prime Minister Muhammad Mossadegh had nationalized the oil industry and expelled the British officials from Iran. It infuriated the British government. So, with the help of USA, British had toppled the Mossadegh government in 1952 and enthroned the Shah of Pahlavi dynasty. Thus, the economic and political power of Iran were now indirectly controlled by USA and Britain. The intelligence service of USA, CIA, was responsible to set up the intelligence service SAVAK of Iran. Similarly, CIA was also responsible to provide training to police and intelligence service of Iran. During the same period, a Cold War was intensified between USA and USSR. In this Cold War, USA used Iran against the communist Russia. In the Indian subcontinent, Pakistan was an ally of USA. Shah Pahlavi came to power in 1953 in Iran. Shah government started to become more and more unpopular as it was only protecting the interest of USA and ignoring Iranian interest. By 1977, the discontentment against Shah started to emerge in an organized way. As the Shah dynasty started to use muscle power to quell the organized protest, the discontentment directed against the USA. During this period, Ayatollah Khomeini was in political asylum in France. He was instigating and giving direction to the discontentment of Iranian people. During the same period, one event took place. The police fired on the political rally. This had ignited the political flare. So, in January 1979, Shah of Iran left the Iran and took the political asylum or shelter in USA. So the Iranian people had invited Ayatollah Khomeini and he was grandly welcomed in Iran. American President Carter could not control the situation in Iran. It led to his defeat in the presidential election of 1980s. Then, Ronald Reagan became the president of USA. But the relation between USA and Iran further deteriorated. So, USA supported Iraq to defeat the Iranian Revolution of 1979. For this, USA instigated the Iran-Iraq War, which continued for the next 10 years. To conclude, the Islamic Revolution of 1979 had altered the historical narrative of Middle East. Thank you for watching my video.